of understanding this. Who's a parent in the room who has children? So most of you have this. So for those of you who aren't a parent, we've all experienced this one moment in life where a young child, whether it's you or your child, learns to walk for the first time. So you can imagine the child is crawling on all fours and keeps falling over because maybe it itself doesn't know what walking is. But as a parent, you're waiting for this moment where your child can learn to walk. And even if a child has physical challenges to walking, the parent will still get them to walk. So you can think about this is a good example of belief. The young child's not walking, it's crawling, but the parent holds the belief and faith that they will reach a point when they can walk, which is the thriving point, I suppose you could say. So think about this as a story between the disadvantaged, deficit-based, bludger thinking parent, my gosh, and the advantaged thinking parent. So the advantaged thinking parent, every time their child falls over, will keep standing them up again, because walking is what the child should do. They believe in that. They hold on to that. No matter how many times the child falls over, you keep standing them up until they can walk. And that's what advantaged thinking as an investment and belief system is about. The disadvantaged thinking parent, and you can think about the way the government is the corporate parent for those in care. When the child falls over once, maybe it picks it up to give the child a second chance. But they fall over again, that's it. Walking's not for you. You can just stay crawling, and we'll develop crawling-related services so you can cope with crawling. We'll case manage you to be an expert in crawling, because you can't walk like the other kids in town. We don't believe you can. And that's the problem, isn't it?